Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are well and welcome to episode 2 of my Scotland tour. I'm currently hiding behind the caravan because one, it's, would you believe, look at that, bright blue skies and really sunny. So I'm finding it hard to get into a shot where one, I'm not being eaten alive by midges, and we can actually see them on the camera because the light isn't in my favour today. So the plan for today, I believe, is we are off to the Queen's View, I think it is. Apparently it's like really picturesque and really scenic up there, so we're gonna have a look up there. Like I said to you earlier, we're not doing loads and loads today because we've done quite a bit yesterday, so yeah, Queen's View today. I think we're also going to tackle the highest road in the UK. Is that Quinewell Pass or something? I can't remember exactly what it is, but I've seen pictures on the internet. That looks awesome as well. So yeah, that's sort of the plan for today. So I don't really know what we're doing after that. We'll obviously stop off, have teas and coffees throughout the day, but I'll also introduce you to the guys later on as well. Not sure when, depending what we're doing, what we get up to, but yeah, it's part of the plan. So there's so many midges. I don't know if you're able to see all them midges hovering around. Can't really tell on the phone, but there's literally, like, right here, there's thousands of them flying around. I know that is one thing about coming to Scotland is everyone says the midges are everywhere because obviously because of the locks and stuff like that. So and the water, but I have doused myself in smidge. That does work. Highly recommend if you're coming to Scotland, douse yourself in smidge. It definitely works because I'm not being attacked. They're just hovering around me, which is bad enough. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna get kitted up, get the bike kitted up, and we'll make a move. So I'll speak to you in a bit. So, we are now en route. Would you believe this is the only road to our campsite? Because our campsite's in a valley, literally, this is the only road, and it's such a shame because this road is very twisty, very windy, and it's an awful shame that we have to take this road every single time we go back to the caravan. But, you know, it is what it is. Let's just take it, won't we? Random place to stop. I tell you what, since I took the panniers off this bike, the weight difference is dramatic. It's so nice to have all that weight off. The bike feels like a completely different bike. Yesterday riding here was fine, there's nothing wrong with it, you know, but you did notice the weight of the bike. Now it's like, oh, it's amazing. Look at this. This is like picturesque stuff. Look at that. Oh, how lucky are these people to see that every single day. I believe this is our first stop, the Queen's View Visiting Centre. It's closed by the looks of it, but it doesn't matter, we're just going for the views. Don't need the calf. Oh. So get some pickies in, shall we?
Yeah, that road is good fun.
Honestly, it's great, isn't it? I absolutely love it. You know that that little bit of a bump we went over?
Yeah.
I obviously come back down the caravan yesterday, went over that way too quick, got the air, both wheels at the floor.
TT.
Oh, honestly, I proper shit myself, but it was so much fun.
Alan's ridden off down there.
Yeah, of course he has. Didn't expect anything different, did you? Hey, here he is. So in case you're interested, that was Queen Elizabeth's favourite viewing point in Scotland, apparently. Unfortunately the trees are in the way, but I imagine it weren't when she decided it was the favourite viewing spot. It's really pretty, honestly. Believe it, now I'm going to get some fuel. Go back onto that awful road again, what a shame. Ah, what? Eric! What are we doing? What's going on? And we all followed. Oh dear. No, don't come up here. There you go, the first mishap of the holiday. Dear oh dear. I'm sure there'll be plenty more of them to come. What's you doing there? It's like my ideal house. No one else around, no neighbours. Oh, it's amazing. River Gary. Gary. River Gary. What a river. Not much water down there, is there? Oh my god, it's down there.
We're going that way, but the Killiecrankie Visitor Centre is about another 2 or 3 miles that way if we come back perhaps in time.
Yeah.
And that's where Soldiers Leap. That's where the the Scottish were chasing the soldiers. He jumped over the fucking river.
Oh yeah, yeah.
18 foot across.
Right.
And you walk down to that, took pictures. That's a
Yeah, yeah.
gorge, but
Yeah, yeah, cool. So that was Stuart. He is wealth of knowledge. He knows all sorts. Loves his history. So if there's anything you want to know about any of the areas we're going, he's the man to ask. Although I won't be able to ask him when you're seeing this video because I'll be home. So fuel stop done. We're now off to the ski centre or something. I can't remember exactly what it's about, but apparently it's just got some amazing scenery, some amazing views, and a cafe. So a stop off for a break and a drink would not go amiss. Here's a popping. We're getting higher and higher. Higher and higher. Oh, I'm not going to sing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the highest road in the UK. United Kingdom. Look at this scenery. This is unbelievable. Look at this. This is this is amazing. Literally it's like the first couple of hours of the first day and I'm drooling already. Oh my days, look at that. That's amazing. Anyway, gents, I will see you at the ski lift resort thing, I think it is. I basically think it's the highest road in the UK, so yeah. Just had to bring you back because just look at this. We're not at that point yet where I suppose I was going to get to, the skylift thing, but we are 1200 feet above sea level, and look at this. This is, wow, this is just amazing. Look at it. Right guys, that is tea at the She, the place we're going to stop at. I didn't get any footage. Well, I didn't actually get any footage because my GoPro battery had died. I didn't realise, so I was talking to myself. But yes, that is where it is. I've got a push bike event on the moment, downhill push bike event, so that's quite smart. I did put the drone up, but I got told to bring it back down again because I've got professional drone operators in use. I was like, oh, okay, sod you then. So the idea is obviously all these push bikes in that queue will jump on that ski lift over there, go all the way up there, and then as you can see they come back down the track. Yeah, that sounds like too much effort for me. I'll just do that. Look at that! How cute is that? Cute. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool. Cute. Yeah. I'll get stuck by this bloody camper van. How crap is that? That is one thing about Scotland. I mean, it's only day one, but obviously the thing about Scotland is everyone comes to visit, everyone comes to see it because it's absolutely stunning. And you get stuck behind a lot of these, so yeah, expect that if you do come to Scotland. But it is so worth it because look at that. Ah, that's just criminal. It's only this part of the UK. God, look at it. I mean, I always thought Yorkshire Dales and stuff was go. Ooh. Oh my days. Roads like this, scenery like that, it is disgusting. And sheeps. This is horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. And I'm not even doing the speed limit. How amazing is that? You can, it's just exactly straight. Yes, totally agree. It is amazing. Yeah, how beautiful. How beautiful. Hello boy and girl. Anyway, I'm going to shut up because all I'm going to keep saying is look at this, amazing, phenomenal, oh, it's beautiful, blah blah blah. So I'm going to switch to Insta, enjoy the ride, and I'll speak to you on our next point. that?
Chicken strips again.
Welcome to Fort Augustus, gateway to Loch Ness.
Waiting for a car park.
I don't know what's going on.
It's like a crane, yeah.
Right, old boy?
Yes, mate. Son.